And we are about to sleep. So, hindi ko talaga kayang matulog nang hindi naliligo. At syempre, I have my Hua Mulan brush. Been using this for many years, so I love it. So, meron din yan sa Shopee, itong Hua Mulan that I am using. Yan, Hua Mulan Beechwood brush. Yung ginagamit ko for my hair kasi it's very gentle sa scalp. Pero hindi yan talaga yung gusto kong i-promote. So, aside from that, this is not a sponsored product. I've been using this SK2 na facial treatment essence Pitera. Yan. Before, ang ginamit ko lang is their trial pack, which is this one. So, syempre, dahil nga, ayan o, nabawasan na siya. Yan. So, nagandahan ako talaga after. So, bumili na ako ng ganito kalaki. Okay? So, aside from that, na bumili na ako ng ganong kalaki, eto, ginamit ko rin to because I wanna try it first. Kasi it's expensive. I would say it's expensive. Kasi, you have other options online na mas mura. But this one actually works for me because hindi ko na kailangan pumunta sa derma. So, yan. Clear yung skin ko. So, ito, I just have pimples because of hormones. Syempre, normal yan sa ating mga babae. Pero when it comes to skin, I love it. Sa skin ko, yan. So, after ko mag-ilo-ilo, syempre, kailangan natin mag-regenerate ng skin because sobrang na-expose tayo sa sun, sa Boracay, kahit tayo, sunblock. So, ito yung ginagamit ko na isa, yung SK2 na Genoptics Ultra Aura Essence. Ito, I just got the trial together with a small SK2 Skin Power Advanced Cream. Ito, super ganda nito. So, kinuha ko lang yung trial pack. Actually, ito siya. Ito yung parang trial. Binili ko to sa Japan. Yan yung trial. So far, ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa lahat because it balances my skin. So, kaya bumili ako ng full size. So, now, dahil gusto ko na din to, gusto ko na din bumili ng full size nito, but gusto ko muna siyang ubusin. Ayan. But I have been using it for how many days na? Maybe almost 14 days? Yan. So, inuunti-unti ko lang siya kasi di mo naman talaga kailangan gumamit ng sobrang dami. A little could go a long way. Tap, tap, tap lang. And then, ayan. So, this is my skin. Ayan. So, after kong mangitim. This is me after my skincare. Ayan. So, I would say that it's very good. It would give justice pala here. Oh. Here. Mas maliwanag. Ayan. So, nawala yung mga sunspots ko. Kaya, kasi kapag na-expose ako sa sun, ayan, nagkaka-freckles ako. Ayan. So, medyo nawala na yung mga freckles. Ayan. Because of SK2. And it's a Japanese skincare brand. And I'm so sleepy na. Look at my eyes. Good night. Mwah. Sorry about my nails. I need to have it done.